everyone, welcome to Melly's Cookbook Bites. Well, here I'm gonna show you all how to prepare Goan Amotik masala paste. Let's see the ingredients: 8 dry Kashmiri chilies, 1 ginger paste, green garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, 6 to 8 black peppercorns, 1 cardamom pod, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, Goan vinegar 2 tablespoons, tamarind soaked in warm water. And don't forget to add water to grind as required. Amotik masala paste is ready. The Amotik curry preparation will be coming soon. So stay tuned for the upcoming video. Till then, thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.